Welcome to Seasparkles Corner. It's Christmas Eve and we're opening up presents. This year, there's not a lot because of financial reasons, but next year will be better. But I've done what I can.
New York, David.
And David's already was given one present because a little transformer thing.
Just see if you can figure that out, baby. I can't read that.
To Doris from Donna.
Alright. Me. I gotta go around the tree.
Call your Nana and ask her what's in that food saver box and who it's for, because I didn't write on it. I don't remember.
It's to you.
Is it? Okay.
Let me see, David, because
I can't read that.
to Mom from David and Doris.
Okay.
Okay.
There's the food saver box.
And I believe that says, don't it say to Donna from Mom?
Yeah, to Donna from Mom. Okay.
All right.
All right, Doris, let's start with you.
Alright.
Did you get Doug's?
It's right there.
Okay.
When he comes in, he'll get it. When I see him, I haven't seen him yet. One of your gifts hasn't arrived yet, Doris. It's a pink jacket sweater coat.
What I always wanted, a package from Amazon.
Hey, that guy's only has good stuff in it.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, of course. You're of course, Fred, you're here because I got something that's edible.
Hey, cool. Another Chewbacca.
I got you a Chewbacca shirt last year. This one's different. It's Wookiee of the Year.
Thank you. I like that.
Yeah. I'm glad you like it.
Thank you.
Now you have 2 Wookiee shirts for me.
Yep. Oh, this was the one where, remember the movie we seen where he had the little birds on him?
Yeah.
Which one was that? Return of the
Last Jedi.
Yeah, the Last Jedi. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm glad you like it.
Alright.
Open your present.
Oh. I thought.
Who's that from?
Maybe I should have.
Okay.
Maybe I should have wrapped yours instead of letting you have them all.
To Doris from Donna.
From Nana.
From Nana. Oh, cool. Storage container. Thank you, Nana.
One of Doris's gifts hadn't arrived yet. And I don't know when it's going to get here. I think it's going to not get here till after Christmas, but I gave you both the blanket and
There you go, David. You can use that for your
lunchbox.
little thing. All right.
David, open yours.
David already gave me mine early anyway, so.
What did he give you when
He
he...
got me white diamonds, he got me a necklace, he got me 2 stainless steel cups. So,
Should have been put under the tree so we had more under the tree.
yeah.
Now, who's that to? That's to David from whom?
Let me see. To David from Mom.
Okay.
From me.
Viper.
Oh, yeah. David loves Viper. Let's get a good peek. Viper, the complete series. David and I used to watch it together when he was young.
Who's that from?
Obviously Doris.
Mom.
No.
Because that's why when Doris writes my name, she can't help but put I love you and stuff like that on it.
Yeah, to my David from your Doris, I love you.
Okay, yep. No, that's for me.
Night Rider.
No, I got him that.
No, then I got him Viper.
Yeah, you got
Yeah,
it.
but I got him.
Oh, you
Knight
got
Rider.
him Knight Rider. Okay. I couldn't remember who got.
Yeah, I told you to get him Viper, and I was getting Knight Rider.
Yeah, I got Viper.
From my Doris.
Okay. I gave David Transformers already. David got an Amazon box. Whoa!
Isn't that what you always wanted, an Amazon box, David?
Hey, this box normally has kind of cool stuff in there.
David got an Amazon box. And it's a versatile hat.
Yeah.
For the homies milk.
Hey, I could resist that one.
Oh yeah, that's way cool.
Metal.
That's way cool.
Mm-hmm.
And that was from your mom. Reason I know that, I just wrapped it the other day.
Yeah.
To David from your mom. Yep, that's it. Yep.
Got the deluxe class. Oh, Titan AE. I did not expect this one.
You like?
Yeah.
It was on your wish list.
Yep. For an old
Electronic pack.
battle dredge.
Yep.
Yeah, I gotta get the Valkyrie. I'm gonna get the Valkyrie ship. I'm gonna repaint that. Yeah.
You like?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's it, because this is all Wesleyan. That's all Wesleyan and such.
Okay.
Yeah, those gotten really bad.
Ren, are you a present?
Darn, it didn't stay on.
Those gotten really bad as well.
Are you a present?
Yeah.
It doesn't stay on anymore. Remember, if I remember right 1 year, I think I ended up stapling those things on.
I had a hard time getting them to stay on
They
here.
glued them on. Well, we just about used up all our old ones. We'll get new ones next year.
Yeah.
No matter, I'm gonna really stick anyhow.
Cool. Hotel Transylvania 3 movie collection. All 3 of them is in here.
Yeah.
What am I going to do with the other ones?
I don't know.
Well, we got a backup.
Well, I'll tell you one thing.
Cool. All 3
Believe it or
of
not,
them.
that was the same price as just the third one on its own.
All 3 people. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Yeah, all 3 of them. All 3 of them that
I like
way.
Hotel
At the
Transylvania.
time we got you that one, that was running for the same price as the third movie was. So I figured, why just get you the third one? I get you all 3 of them in one box.
Maybe I can pawn or the others will give them away or something. Because I won't need them. I got all 3 in one. I wonder what's in it. Cool. Yeah, it's got Hotel Transylvania 1, 2, and 3 in it. Already had these. Well, cool.
Yeah, and you got the third one. I asked you, why did you get the third one?
I didn't even know.
Because you said you want a Hotel Transylvania. That's what I heard you talking about.
Wow. But this is all 3 of them, people. Oh. How can all 3 of them be in here? This one's loose,
It just snaps in there. It should.
but it's not damaged. Okay. Let me see if I can see where all 3 movies are. Hotel Transylvania 2. And Hotel Transylvania 3. Is one underneath?
It might be both on one disc. Let me look.
There's only 2 movies.
Could be on both discs.
Wait a minute,
One
no.
disc, yeah.
Hotel Transylvania 1 and 2 is on this disc, and 3 is on the third.